Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to quickly blend a starship into the sky. You can download this project so you can follow. The link is in the video description. I prepared for you the sky texture and the USS Enterprise spaceship. Make the sky texture visible and select the layer. Enable transform controls. Press Ctrl 0. Hold Alt and resize the sky so it fits on the screen. Click OK. Press Ctrl 0. Enable the starship layer. Hold Alt and drag the sky layer above the starship layer. This will make a copy. Change the blend mode to screen. Select the spaceship layer. Position the starship so the sun is barely visible. Move the screen to the right and resize the starship. Click OK. Press Ctrl 0 on your keyboard. Click on the layer mask icon. Select the brush tool. Make a right-click. Select a soft round brush and press Enter. Use bracket keys to adjust the brush size. Press D on your keyboard to select the default colors, and then press X to select the black color. Now carefully brush over parts of the starship that are behind the clouds so we can't see it. If you make a mistake, just press X on your keyboard and fix it. You can reduce the flow so you can paint slowly. USS Enterprise is ready to fly away. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.